server scripts. I'm able to use server scripts to do things such as defeat enemies, change things, even ignite my lightsaber. See how that worked? All those particles and stuff are connected to a remote event, which I'm going to show you shortly. Now, another thing you notice is that I am being shot so much by the blaster fire. Now watch what I do to destroy the droid. And I think I just almost got him. But it's a near miss. So, yeah. Anyways, let me get out of this and show you exactly what I mean. Now, in the blade lock script, you want to give visual feedback when you're using this lightsaber. So, when the blade lock script is used, which is a script that I'm using for it's a little experimental technology in my unique gameplay element from my RPG, in which if the other person has a certain lightsaber with a different blade, then guess what happens? The blade locks. Basically, they're all anchored together. And the thing is that when they're all anchored together, guess what has to happen? Both blades have to be unlocked with two keys, Shift and H. Now you see this? This right here is what you would use to fire to the client. You can do fire client or you can do fire all clients. Now fire all clients is the same thing as for underscore comma v in pairs game.players get players with two parentheses do, and then you would do game.replicated storage.remote service.show dialog fire client v and then all the other parameters and then end. It's the same thing as that, but they shorten it to make it easier for you so that you can do it all in the same time. Now, another thing that I have to show you is this. If you look here, this lightsaber core uses a key input API, but it also uses a lot of these. Fire server. What these do, they allow the blade to actually ignite. So whenever you do blade update, it fires to the server. Ignite blade is for the particles. So basically you can also make it extensible. The remote events and remote functions. All these things. And what I've done to make that even better is I've used a remote adapter. Basically it stores all my functions and events here. But this is just events for now. Functions and everything will come later. So, what did we learn today? Latency is basically lag on the server. Lag is basically latency on the client. Or lag is just lag, but it happens on the client. So, another thing we've learned today is what remote events can do. Remote events act like couriers or liaisons to the server. They can do things on the server's behalf. They act like substitute teachers. Another thing we've learned today is that there are many ways we can use remote events and functions. So, with that being said, this has been Arados 12. Next time I will show you how to code this kind of thing from scratch. Like I'll show you how to make something with filtering enabled. So, cheers.